What is really going on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency? We're back on XRP. Price action making its way upward here under the influence of strong technical buy pressure. It would appear 77 cents holding us very nicely ever since the 4th of December, where prices reached all the way down to and through the most bullish area of support and accumulation suggested for XRP here, the 63-cent level. After that bounce, prices recovered up to 84 cents with that daily candle close, and we've been consolidating towards 77 cents ever since. Currently experiencing a nice upswing here. We can definitely see the buy pressure is very much in play, and XRP wants to continue its way upward. Fundamentally, I do believe we are still bullish on a longer term uptrend in play. However, technically in the immediate short term here, there are some factors in play that do suggest perhaps further confirmations of support are necessary, and perhaps further interactions downward here may be necessary before the uptrend can continue. So we're looking out for support solidified down below at the moment. 77 cents is a very bullish area of accumulation. We're also looking at buy pressure near 81 cents, that 0.382 Fibonacci level, also suggesting further technical significance of buy pressure here for us. However, we are a little too close to resistance overhead. It would appear 94 cents is going to be a very strong area of resistance and sell pressure overhead at the moment. Once we've broken it and confirmed it as support, we can become more bullish on continued upside and use it as a bullish area of accumulation. Right now, 94 cents is currently correlating with the underside of the 200 daily moving average, suggesting further technical sell pressure present overhead for us here, contributing to the potential short-term downside that we may continue to experience. We've had sell signals present ever since the middle of November here. Technically, EngineeringRobo has been bearish on XRP ever since the $1.04 level. Since then, we've experienced up to 42% in downside here, currently still more than 13% down at current levels since those most recent sell suggestions. And so EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher areas of accumulation and take profit. And once two of your chosen three Robo advisors become bullish or bearish on price action, you can use that to better determine your entries and exits. We can see EngineeringRobo suggesting a bullish area of accumulation throughout the end of July. After accumulation, prices rose up to 93% over the following 40 days. And if you weren't able to capitalize on that swing high, you were able to still capitalize on 44% ROI if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions that came into play throughout the middle of September. Since those sell suggestions, prices did diminish up to what appears to be 18% over the following kind of couple weeks before experiencing a bullish interaction with buy signals. We see a very strong demand and buy pressure for XRP between the $1.04 level all the way up to $1.22. However, it would appear after price action experienced up to 16% in upside, would appear EngineeringRobo became bearish on XRP after about 10% in downside. And then as you can see, we've experienced over 40% in downside since those sell signals. So if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions as an area of take profit, you were saved from over 40% in downside as we await the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation suggested by further confirmations of support and buy signals to return. Once we have some bullish Robo advisors, I can become far more bullish on continued upside here and comfortable accumulation. Let me know your thoughts on XRP down below. Where do you think prices are headed to? Watch out for resistance overhead. Look out for support down below. Now, BNB Binance coin on the Binance chart against Tether here. Price action interacting with sell suggestions, looking for support down below in an uptrend. It would appear this combination of Robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation ever since the beginning of October around the $427 level. Prices experienced up to 56% in upside, and if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, you were able to capitalize on 24% ROI if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions that have came into play around the $531 level. We do have interactions with buy signals throughout the sort of end of November here and into December, suggesting a very strong buy pressure present for Binance coin at current levels. However, EngineeringRobo members know to wait for further bullish parameters to be met to decide a comfortable area of accumulation. And as we can see, further downside is suggested with these most recent interaction with sell signals on the 13th of December. We do have all three of our chosen Robo advisors technically bearish on Binance coin at the moment, so we can anticipate further interaction downward here as we look for support down below. In an uptrend, in my opinion, suggested by the 200 daily moving average being well below price action, a bullish bounce off of it and interaction with it and support found from it would be very healthy for the longer term uptrend, which I do believe is still in play. At the moment, we're looking for support off of what appears to be $505 per Binance coin. This is going to be a strong area of support that we have been experiencing buy pressure off of. Failure to hold that range, though, could bring us all the way down to that 200 daily moving average, currently correlating with the 0.618 Fibonacci Illuminati level, $429. That is going to be a strong area of technical support, it would appear. However, the strongest area of technical support is all the way down at $402. That is going to be a far stronger area of support waiting for us if we were to experience any sort of continued downside here in the immediate short term. However, once support has been solidified, my target for this coin is going to be $649 as the strongest area of sell pressure and resistance waiting to give us a hard time overhead. I am still bullish on continued upside as long as these factors are in play. However, in the immediate short term here, we can anticipate continued confirmations of support and interactions downward here based on some technical short-term bearish factors. So we're waiting for the buy signals to return to become more comfortably bullish on continued gains here. Look out for support down below. Watch out for buy pressure off of 505. However, failure to hold that though could bring us all the way down to 402. What are your thoughts on Binance coin at current levels? Now we're looking at Chainlink, LINK against Tether. Price action looking at support down below. The last time we looked at this coin, we were looking at prices interacting with resistance overhead near the $24 level here. Technically, $24.82 appears to be resistance here for us overhead in the immediate short term. I was suggesting, based on some technical factors here, that we may look for stronger support down below, and I was looking for an interaction with support found at $18.41. So far, price action has been holding very well here, experiencing tremendous support and buy pressure off of it. This could be a potential bullish area of accumulation here, supported by factors of support down below. Strong bullish buy pressure at this key level could suggest support in play strong enough to recover the uptrend. We also have one of our chosen 3 Robo advisors becoming bullish on price action near the $18.74 level, suggesting some buy pressure is coming into play and upside is attempting to continue here. However, at the moment, further confirmations of support need to be met, and we need a second Robo advisor to become bullish on upside, to become more comfortably bullish on accumulation. At the moment, we do have some strong resistance waiting for us. It would appear $24.79 is going to be a strong area of sell pressure we need to break and confirm as support, currently correlating with the underside of the 200 daily moving average as well, suggesting further technical significance as sell pressure at that range. So at the moment, under the influence of sell signals still, we need a second Robo advisor to become bullish on price action. Technically, we've experienced up to 47% in downside since the most recent interaction with sell suggestions, and so we're still currently more than 35% down at current levels. So in my opinion, we're awaiting further confirmations of support. $18.41 is holding very well here. Continued daily candles opening and closing above it can further confirm it as support. We need a second Robo advisor to become bullish. However, if we were to fail to hold this level, we do have buy pressure coming off of $15.14. However, the strongest area of support and the most bullish area of accumulation could be all the way down near $12.07. That is going to be the strongest area of support if we fail to hold $18.41. If support is confirmed at that level, though, my target is going to be $24.79. Let me know your thoughts on this coin down in the comment section down below if you're bullish or bearish here. Now, Ethereum. Price action looking for support here, currently very indecisive. Indecision in the market causes this sideways price action. We're looking for support off of $3,923. This is going to be the key level we need to confirm here, with daily candles opening and closing with their wicks and bodies above or below it. That will give us confirmations of support or resistance. If support is found, the strongest area of resistance waiting for us in the immediate short term is going to be $4,287. However, if resistance is found, we're looking at an interaction downward toward $3,582. However, the strongest area of support is still going to be $3,404. Prices in very much an uptrend. We're seeing Ethereum hold very strong under the influence of very strong technical sell pressure here. Traders are definitely selling and taking profit here. However, investors, I do believe, are accumulating Ethereum at current levels with anticipation of a continued upside here and gains for us in the coming months. I personally still anticipate a $7,858 Ethereum, it would appear, before any sort of strong fundamental potential sell pressure comes into play and some real downside is to be considered. At the moment, we are still very bullish under these current parameters. Let me know your thoughts on Ethereum, though, if you're bullish or bearish here. We're going to look at Bitcoin. Price action currently below the 200 daily moving average, in addition to resistance overhead at $48,577 per Bitcoin could suggest another interaction downward here towards support. So we're watching out for a potential interaction with what appears to be $44,000 per Bitcoin, the 0.618 line, in addition to this key level here at $43,000 per Bitcoin. That is going to be the strongest area of support I am waiting for an interaction with in the immediate short term here, and personally I am still bullish on continued upside based on these current factors. And so at the moment we are awaiting the most bullish area of comfortable accumulation for Bitcoin, supported by some buy signals returning and support confirmed here. I would like price action to get back above that $48,577 level and confirm it as support to become more comfortably bullish on continued upside. However, in the immediate short term, it would appear further consolidation and indecision in the market could play out here, causing some more bullish buy opportunities to present itself. It's never a bad time to buy Bitcoin, only better times in my opinion, and you're looking at what appears to be some of the best times to buy Bitcoin. I personally believe we will likely interact with what appears to be a $149,000 Bitcoin before any sort of strong fundamental downside is to be considered. I personally am still very bullish on the uptrend in play until factors suggest otherwise. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below. Let me know a coin you'd like to see in the next video, and tune in for the next one.